Corotte Info, avant Bajou Cassé, Junior Auguste dit et dira tout. Toute l'actu, sport, musique, politique, Corotte Info, nouvelles sans camper.
Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, comment nous est. Bienvenue dans l'actualité journée. Gros déblousage pété hier mercredi dans Maison Blanche entre Donald Trump et Premier ministre pays irlandais Michael Martin dans occasion fête Saint-Patrick Donald Trump.
Relationships with Ireland, and that will only get stronger. The relationship we have personally and every other way is very, very strong and very, very good. So I just want to welcome you to Washington, D.C. and to our country, and thank you very much.
May I thank you, President. It's a great honour for me to be here to celebrate St. Patrick's with you.
Right.
And I thank you for your hospitality and the warmth of your reception. And I commend you in terms of the work that you're doing, particularly in terms of the pursuit of peace, which we discussed earlier. And I think that's going well. And you really have, in the first sort of 100 days of this government, you've done some extraordinary things very quickly.
Thank you.
Everybody's watching in that respect. So
Thank you.
delighted to be here. It's an honour to be here.
Well, it's a great honor to have you, and special people, very special people. I know a lot of Irish, and growing up in New York, I know a couple of your people that used to live in that beautiful Ireland, and now they're here, but they love your country very much. You know, they have a great feeling toward your country.
They have, and a lot come back for holidays and
they come back.
stuff like that,
They
and
come
checking
back.
out their family,
Yeah.
ancestry, and things like that. You know,
Great, fantastic people.
Some go to Doonbeg as well. Yeah.
And we love Doonbeg. I love them. I don't know if I'll ever see it again. Maybe I won't, but
We would like
I
to
think
come
I
back and
will.
see it, yeah.
We'll get
Yeah.
there. We're going to get there. It's a beautiful place, wonderful place. Any questions?
Mr. President, on tariffs, how far
Yeah,
are you
please.
worried? President Trump, how worried are you about the counter tariffs from the EU, which were announced yesterday? And also, how worried should Ireland be, given the fact that it has a massive trade surplus with the US, over $50 billion? Neil Martin might be quite nervous about what you're going to tell him today.
Well, I don't think he looks nervous to me. And if he was nervous, he wouldn't show it. No, we do have a massive deficit with Ireland, because Ireland was very smart. They took our pharmaceutical companies away from presidents that didn't know what they were doing. And, you know, it's too bad that happened. It's a tremendous job I give. Look, the Irish are smart. You're smart people. And you took our pharmaceutical companies and other companies, but, you know, through taxation and proper taxation, they made it very, very good for companies to move over there. And we had presidents and people that were involved in this that had no idea what they were doing, and they lost big segments of our economy. The European Union treats us very badly. They have for years. I saw that. I had it out with them in my first term. It did well, but we had to solve other problems, and we did. But European Union's been very tough, and it's our turn too. You know, we get a turn at that also, but they have not been fair. They sue our companies and win massive amounts of money. They sued Apple, won $17 billion, and they use that for other reasons, I guess, or to run the European Union. So I'm not knocking it. They're doing what they should be doing, perhaps, for the European Union, but it does create ill will. And as you know, we're going to be doing reciprocal tariffs. So whatever they charge us, we're charging them. Nobody can complain about that. Whatever it is, it doesn't even matter what it is. If they charge us 25 or 20% or 10% or 2% or 200%, then that's what we're charging them. And so I don't know why people get upset about that, because there's nothing more fair than that. And we had a problem with Ontario, and they dropped that when I let them know what we were going to be doing. They dropped it immediately, so I'm glad, because electricity, you shouldn't be playing with electricity. It affects people's lives. Actually their life. I mean, it can affect, depending on weather, it can affect their life, so we can't do that. And it doesn't make sense that our country allows electricity to be made in another country and sold into us. Who did that deal for the United States? Okay, I looked at that long ago, and I said that's not something that's very smart. So we've had a lot of bad trade policies, and yet we're doing very well right now. But we're doing well because I won the election. If I didn't win the election, you would have had a very bad period. I think a lot of the stock market going down was because of a really bad 4 years that we had. When you look at inflation and all of the other problems wars and inflation and so many other problems. But we're going to have very good years. We had, I don't know if you saw a little thing like the cost of eggs, little to you, but big to people out there, down almost 30% in the last few days. We got it down. We did a lot of things. We have a great Secretary of Agriculture, and we did a lot of things that got the cost of eggs down very substantially, and so many other things. A very big thing that I'm very happy with is oil is down to $65 a barrel, and that's faster than I would have anticipated. We put on the gas. We stepped in the gas in order to get oil, and what's happening. So we're getting that down, and when energy comes down, prices are going to be coming down with it. So in a very short period of time, we've done a very good job. And I think that the tariffs that we're talking about, and again, reciprocal, I think that the tariffs, there are some cases where they're a little beyond reciprocal because, we've been abused for a long time as a country. We have been abused really for a long time.
Rapidement, porte-parole la PNH là, ba yon bilan opération yap mené dans fief, nèg exam yo, il fait connaît yo déjà saisi 10 000 cartouches Lionel Lazare.
C'est 12 mars 2025. Si nous rappelons, on a songé qui s'est passé le 12 mars 2021 dans le village. Avant de nous commencer avec conférence pour la presse que la police nationale d'Haïti a présentée, nous avons demandé une minute silence dans mémoire 5 vaillants policiers qui étaient tombés pour te défendre une cause d'insécurité en dehors du pays. Policiers qui étaient dans SWAT, qui étaient dans BOL, Pierre Ludor, Alexis Vivender, Desilis Whistler, Eugène Stanley, Ariel Poula, Janus Odila qui était tombé sur le champ de bataille vendredi 12 mars 2021 dans le village de Dieu. Une minute silence dans la mémoire 5 vaillants policiers qui étaient tombés dans l'opération avec uniforme sous l'eau, avec drapeau pays sous épaule. Une minute silence s'il vous plaît. Jean, commandant-chef police là, M. Nomin Rameau, accordé en plus d'importance à travail la presse à faire dans le pays, c'est comme ça tout police nationale là a informé la population sur le travail force police là a fait. C'est une obligation, surtout dans ça qui vient pour avec série opération avec intervention PNH là a réalisé surtout dans le département de l'Ouest pays. Nous avons mesure pour nous présenter divers bilans opérations et interventions qui fait pendant les derniers temps. Tout d'abord, nous avons commencé dans le département centre pays, précisément dans Mieux-Balais. La police nationale là continue à multiplier les stratégies, une façon pour capable continuer à combattre le grand banditisme là dans tout le pays. C'est pour raison ça, sous instruction du directeur général de la police là, M. Nomin Rameau, direction départementale police centre là, renforce le dispositif sécurité dans le département, surtout dans l'entrée ville là, avec ligne frontalière. Dans le cadre plan sécurité, ça, dimanche, qui était 9 mars 2025, la police arrivait saisie 10 488 cartouches calibre 7,62 avec 29 cartouches 12, 3 armes manches longues, parmi eux un fusil Magpul ILX-50 avec 2 fusils calibre 12. Dans le cas d'intervention, ça, agent l'audio avec population réalisée, eh bien, ils ont confisqué un cosse avec poignet Magpul, un chargeur fusil Magpul, un chargeur fusil Kalachnikov, une clé serrage pour fusil avec un minibus KC TP 27 525. N'a souligné, dans le cas d'intervention, ça, malgré l'effort, la police t'a fait pour empêcher individu ça qui était dans la machine ça, qui t'a transporté les armes et munitions ça, et bien la population qui était en colère, prend yo à force, touye yo, malheureusement, malgré tout effort que la police nationale d'Haïti a fait. Toujours dans le département centre pays, la police qui veut arrêter dans la date 7 mars 2025 là, Pierre Crilex, alias Tipapi, dans un night club qui se situe dans la commune de Bada. L'individu ça a joué une arrestation pour association malfaitée, détention illégale, ZAM, trafic illicite, ZAM et munitions. N'a pas rappelé, Pierre Crilex des connexions à gang 400 Maozo et puis gang Canaran. Pistolet de Mac Glock 17, calibre 9 mm, 48 cartouches 9 mm, un fusil M4, 96 cartouches 556 à 300 000 gouttes. Selon le témoignage que l'individu qui joue une arrestation là, et bien il fait connaître que lui, c'est une nombre à droite, le commissaire gouvernement, dans le plateau central qui est Odania Blanc. Et lui-même avoué, c'est lui-même qui baille sécurité, qui avec le commissaire gouvernement ça, ZAM pour capable de sécuriser le commissaire.
Sit-in devant primati pour exiger l'État en place là prend responsabilité yo, côté gen plusieurs centaines de moun nèg examen fait quitter la caillou en suivant extrait. National la migration ONM te accueilli dans l'aéroport Toussaint Louverture 226 migrants haïtiens qui ta vivant dans le pays la Turquie. Migrants sa te accueilli par le ministère des Affaires sociales là, Georges Roulbert Franck à directeur général la ONM Jean-Nicole Bonheur Delva. ONM en collaboration avec l'organisation pour migration te remettre yo chaque yo enveloppe 15 000 gouttes. Merci tout le monde qui t'a suivi nous depuis le commencement jusqu'à la fin. Continuez à aborder et partager channel pour la Corotte Info sur YouTube et Facebook là. Renons amis, yon famille ak yon boubout pour y abonner à Corotte Info. Allez.
Corotte Info, avant Bajou Cassé, Junior Auguste dit et dira tout. Toute l'actu, sport, musique, politique, Corotte Info, nouvelles sans camper.